Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get water kung fu in Blox Fruits first and second sea. So first of all, you have to go to the underwater city in the first sea and speak to the water kung fu teacher NPC in a lilac colored world near the palace and pay him $750,000 to unlock the water kung fu fighting style, which includes the steam charged feast, deadly shower, and heavy water punch abilities. Like as you can see, like here. And first you have to travel to the underwater city in the first sea. To get there, start in the southern part of the first sea area, look for a whirlpool between the frozen village and the prison. You'll find it between three large rocks in the center. Once there, walk into the whirlpool to teleport to the underwater sea. You may need a boat to get there, and you can leave it at a dock attached to one of the large rocks. You can actually get the water kung fu fighting style in any of the seas, not just the first. If you don't start looking for water kung fu until you reach the second sea, simply travel to the hot and cold islands instead. Similarly, travel to sea castles on the sea if you are in the third sea, like this. This is the water kung fu teacher, and find the water kung fu teacher in lilac color world. Look at the Fishman Lord's Palace in the underwater city and head to its right. Head toward a lilac colored wall and look for a rectangular spot slightly darker than the rest. Enter through the section by the corner and you'll find the NPC named water kung fu teacher, and pay the water kung fu teacher 750,000 to learn water kung fu. And you will get to know steam charge feast, uh, and then deadly shower and heavy water punch. And that's all for the video. See you on the next one.